Jigsaw is another strategy that we are going to have this afternoon. Good afternoon, everyone.
Good afternoon, sir.
Our lesson for this afternoon is about the animals and their body parts. But before that, I will give to you some materials for you to use for our activity this afternoon. So may I request the materials person to get the materials for the activity. Since the materials are in the hands of the materials person, this time the material person is going to distribute it to the members of the group. Maybe 5 minutes you are given the time to read and understand what is written in the paper. Share it with your classmates.
Mine is amphibians. Amphibians have 2 lives. In their young age, they live on land and on water. And their adult stage, they live on land. Example of amphibians, we have crabs, toads, and
So mine is reptiles. And reptiles are animals with hard scaly body coverings. An example of it are snakes, crocodiles, and turtles.
Okay, time is up. May I see your hands? Okay, thank you. So you have a very wonderful discussion with your group. So this time, I am going to have 3 questions. And these 3 questions will be answered by you. So, number 1 question. They are animals that can live both on land and in water. So I will use both cards. And then, here we go. Daryl Joy.
Amphibian, sir.
Okay, thank you, Daryl Joy. Let us give hands to Daryl Joy. Okay, next question. They are animals that live in water and have gills. Who will be the luckiest? Belinda.
fish or fishes.
Okay, very good, Belinda. Okay, give you hands. Okay, the last question. They are animals with dry, tough, and scaly skin. Shadow.
Reptiles.
Okay, very good. Okay, clap your hands.